Doctors are shocked. Prevent cancer if you ate soaked almonds every morning before breakfast. That's what will happen to your body. Benefits of almonds. Top healthy benefits of almond nuts. 1. Reduce the risk of heart attack. Rich in monounsaturated fats. Helps to lower down bad cholesterol. Also reduce the risk of heart attacks and disease. 2. Blood pressure stabilize. Potassium benefits by maintain heart function and balance normal blood pressure to prevent high blood pressure and atherosclerosis. 3. Prevent cancer. Contains fiber support for detoxify your body and smooth the digestive system. Also prevent and lower down the risk of colon cancer. 4. Ease constipation. Fiber helps to poop smoothly by eating 4 to 5 almonds a day. It helps improve your digestion and bowel movement. 5. Prevent diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Reduce the risk of blood sugar after meal. Regulate the glucose absorption to prevent high level of sugar in the body. 6. Improve brain power. Rich in zinc, which protects brain cells from free radical damage. Vitamin B6 supports metabolism of potassium for brain cell repair. Vitamin E to slow down brain aging to boost memory.